much I love to be here and tell you how much I love you and Jesus loves you. I just wanna say what I did for today, for my makeup today, and it's about kinda greeny blue ashy makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I wanna tell you that you're beautiful in every single way, and no matter what, you have to keep with your goals, because Jesus is going to get back to you, pushing you to do your best. So this is what I did for today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I want to show you my t-shirt. Yeah, I'm ready to work out, and I just feel so happy to see you here and be just wonderful like I look today. So if you like this look, I'm gonna close my eyes to you to see, and you can comment below, and that's it. Bye.